Hey everyone, if you want to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to Robinhood, here's exactly how to do it. First, you need to enable crypto transfers in the Robinhood app. Open Robinhood, go to Settings, then Crypto Transfers, and follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication and complete identity verification. Once that's done, you'll be able to receive cryptocurrency. Next, get your Bitcoin deposit address. Search for Bitcoin in Robinhood, tap Receive, and copy your BTC wallet address. Now, switch over to Coinbase. Go to Send, choose Bitcoin, and paste your Robinhood wallet address. Before you continue, double-check that every character of the wallet address is correct. Even a single mistake could send your Bitcoin to the wrong address, and crypto transactions cannot be reversed. After that, make sure you're using the correct network, review the details, and tap Continue to send your Bitcoin. Finally, confirm the transaction, verify any security prompts, and wait for the transfer to complete. Bitcoin transfers usually take between 10 and 60 minutes depending on network traffic. One quick tip, your transfer limits may depend on your account verification status and Coinbase account limits, so check your available limits before sending. And that's it. Your Bitcoin is on its way from Coinbase to Robinhood. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.